Very soon, the new year will be upon us. In fact, in less than 1 week, we will be in 2025. A new year is, in many ways, a new chapter due to calendar year scheduling and hence a mental milestone. It is an occasion used to reflect on our performance in the year gone by and to flesh out the plans for the coming year. Many resolutions are made in a grandiose fashion to be broken or violated shortly thereafter. I, for one, will recommend a grounded review and realistic target setting so as to not getting discouraged later. Non-compliance with our own resolutions can set in negative and downward spiral of self-doubt, loss of self-confidence, and leading to stagnation, if not regression, in our personal and professional spheres. Being conservative in your expenditure and empathetic in your relationships are two of the topmost targets I recommend all of you set for yourself. Kindly discuss this important aspect with your family and especially grown-up children to help them devise relevant, realistic, and rewarding targets for the coming year. This exercise will require some quiet contemplation and frank discussion if possible. There should not be any scope for mocking their ambition, but with reason and logic, realism should be infused in their plans. I will also request you to broaden your horizons and keep in mind the larger sense of our national moods and needs. Every citizen of India, that is Bharat, must keep in mind the fundamental duties of every citizen as enshrined in Article 51A of our Constitution. It will not be out of place if I list them here. 1. Abide by the Constitution and respect national flag and national anthem. 2. Follow ideals of freedom struggle. 3. Protect sovereignty and integrity of India. 4. Defend the country and render national service when called upon. 5. Developing the spirit of common brotherhood. 6. Preserve composite culture of the country. 7. Preserve natural environment. 8. Develop scientific temper and humanity. 9. Safeguard public property and avoid violence. 10. Strive for excellence in all spheres of life. 11. Duty of all parents and guardians to send their children in the age group of 6 to 14 years to school. Basically, the national interest has to be uppermost in our minds even when 24/7 we are struggling or striving for advancement in our own personal lives and careers. Wishing you a very, very happy New Year in the Sarka 2025. Take care and Jai Hind.